Hey there, creative minds. Whether you're creating podcasts, videos, mobile games, or some other kind of product, I've got 8 innovative ways I'm going to share with you today about how to use Suno's incredible music-making powers to make your products even better.
Hey there, innovators. Have you ever imagined turning simple text prompts into mesmerizing short songs? With no musical experience required? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, hold on to your coffee mugs because Suno AI Music is about to jazz up your creative life. Today we're diving into a world where that dream is a reality, thanks to Suno AI Music. But wait, here's the kicker. What if I told you this little AI gem could actually help you with your own products? Stick around and I'll show you 8 incredible ways to use this AI music in your own business that will blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First things first, what is Suno? Suno is this incredible AI music app that transforms your text prompts into short, 2 or 3 minute long songs. Whether you're a music pro or someone who just loves to hum in the shower, Suno makes creating music easy, accessible and lots of fun. And the best part? It offers both free and paid versions, with a generous 10-song daily limit for free users. So, let's dig into 8 innovative ways to use AI music yourself. Alright, let's dive into the exciting part. How can you harness this incredible tool to enhance your content and captivate your own audience? Number 1. Personalized music content for social media. Social media thrives on unique and engaging content. Why not use Suno to create personalized music tracks for brands or events you are marketing, or if you're an influencer? Tailor the music to fit the theme, mood, or occasion you're promoting. The possibilities are endless. Let's make social media sing. Number 2. Event-specific music creation. Events need music to set the mood, whether they're virtual or in person. Maybe you're a party planner or an event planner. Whether you're hosting a virtual webinar, a lively themed party, or your own romantic wedding, setting the right mood with music is essential. With Suno, you could create personalized tracks that perfectly match the vibe of your event. Your guests will be amazed at the unique and memorable atmosphere you've crafted. Number 3. Custom brand anthems. This one you hear every day, everywhere, and you probably don't even realize it. But it is so powerful. Imagine your brand having its own unique jingle or theme song that's instantly recognizable. With Suno, you could create custom anthems that reflect your brand's identity, values, and message. This isn't just about a catchy tune. It's actually all about creating a powerful tool for embedding your brand into the hearts, minds, and ears of your audience. Number 4. AI-generated music for podcasts and videos. If you are a podcaster or a video content creator, then you certainly understand the importance of having unique, royalty-free music for intros, outros, and background scores. With Suno, it's a win-win. You could create custom tracks for your own projects that perfectly complement your content's theme and style, giving your productions a professional edge and helping them stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Music for mobile apps and games. If you're developing your own mobile app or game, then you know how much an engaging soundtrack can significantly enhance the user experience. Why not use Suno to create custom music for your product that perfectly fits the theme and mood of your app or game, making it more immersive and enjoyable for users? Number 6. Interactive audiobooks and stories. Have you ever thought about transforming the way you tell stories? What about integrating custom music into your audiobooks or digital stories? This one thing could add so much emotional depth and atmosphere, making the listening experience more captivating and memorable to your fans. And if you get good enough at it, you could possibly offer your musical talents to other authors, publishers, or educational platforms to help bring their stories to life too. Number 7. Therapeutic and relaxation music. The wellness industry is booming, and with it, the demand for music that promotes relaxation, meditation, and stress relief. If you have a business in this field, why not use Suno to create tracks specifically designed to support mental health and wellness? Imagine having your own custom relaxation playlist tailored to your preferences. Perfect for winding down and relaxing any time of the day. Number 8. Curate AI created music playlists. Imagine being a music lover. Maybe you are a student, are on vacation, or are retired. Why not get creative and use Suno to produce entire playlists based on the kinds of music that you love to hear? Then you could listen to them while you clean the house, work out, travel, do yoga, rest, study, heal if you're sick, or whatever. You could also create these playlists and share them with others. Think of this idea kind of like a mixed tape for the AI generation. With Suno AI music, you're not just making songs, you're creating experiences, memories, and a bit of magic. Whether you're crafting soothing tracks for relaxation, custom anthems for your brand, or immersive soundtracks for your apps and games, Suno is your gateway to a world of musical innovation. So dive in, get creative, and let Suno help you bring your projects to life with a soundtrack that's uniquely yours. Remember, the key to success is staying innovative, being adaptable, and always tuning in to the needs and desires of your audience. So, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to dive into the world of AI music. I can't wait to see what musical magic you'll create with Suno.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.